everybody.
What's up, guys? Welcome back behind the schemes. We are less than 2 weeks away from Oshkosh, so we are in that final push. We have got some cool airplanes going. It is already Thursday and not Monday, so this is an intro, and I'm in the future right now, so we're gonna put this at the beginning of the video. But we've got a airplane in here that we're touching up for the show. We've got another airplane that we're finishing up to exhibit at Oshkosh. And then, yeah, we've got about a week and a half now, as of today, to get ready for the show. So there's a lot to do, aside from just the airplanes, to get ready to come up there and hang out with you guys at Oshkosh. So, long week, but we are gonna jump right in, and honestly, we're ahead of schedule compared to normal.
Yeah, compared to usual. We're sitting pretty.
All right, let's get it. We're getting after it.
You're out of bubble country.
I'm done with bubbles.
Oh, is it done?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. This is how we maintain freshness for the plane.
Yes. Wrapped them in plastic.
Well, we tried those Tupperware containers, but they were too big. Why do y'all wrap it? Is it just to make sure stuff doesn't get up on it?
For painting. Anytime you paint anything, you really have to wrap most of the plane.
Oh, okay.
Right, we'll stick to it everywhere. So we're doing a little touch-up repair before Oshkosh for a fuel leak.
Okay.
Bottom. So, gonna be painting the bottom of the fuel tank on this one and getting her ready for the show.
Sweet.
Getting her all show ready.
Hey, Chris, it's time for a question of the week. So somebody just wants to know, if you were designing your scheme for your own RV7A, what would it be?
That's a really hard question.
It really is.
I feel like, with all the designs that we do, it's a lot easier as a designer to have someone tell you what they want and what they'd like to see, because it gives me something to shoot off of.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, if I had to design something for myself, I'm already a super indecisive person.
Yeah.
So it would probably have to be a situation where I kind of just sat down with a blank scheme and just started playing around with it.
Why don't you just show us? Show us your perfect scheme, Chris.
Let's do it. Let's dig into it. Let's go on a journey together.
Well, hold on. I'm also, a lot of people don't know this, I'm also a designer, so I think it's time for a design challenge, buddy. No, I don't like that face. I don't like that face at all.
And then they can comment, and they can put in the comments whose is the best.
Well, yeah, but then you're gonna win. But yeah, all right.
Oh.
All right, that's it. It's time for a design challenge. Check in later in the video, and we will see what Chris's and Scotty's perfect RV7A would be. Hey, Autumn, do you also want to do the design challenge?
What design challenge?
Me and Chris are making our own RV7As, and we're gonna let the comments decide who's is coolest. So,
Absolutely. I would love to do that.
yeah, you're not busy at all, right?
I'm not busy.
Okay, Rio, same thing. We're gonna flip colors today. We are getting ready for light gray. If we've pushed this week, that plane should be very close, if not cleared on Friday. So that's my goal this week, is to be real nice, get that thing cleared before we leave, and get that out of the boot. So if y'all can flip today and get light gray on it tomorrow, then it's just detail fibers. That thing's done. We'll do a video later, Scotty.
All right.
Yes.
Boom.
All right, so it is Monday, and this time next week we'll be at Oshkosh hanging out with you guys. But today we are focusing on trying to get Radke's airplane taped up, get the next color on that. If we have a really good week, we might actually get this airplane clear coated before the end of the week and before we leave. We've also got Brian Decker's plane. ready to go, tip-top shape. It has got a beautiful paint job on it, and it was painted in 2021. So you can see what an airplane that we've painted looks like after 5 years, and if it's taken care of, it looks exactly like it did when it left here. So that airplane's all touched up and ready for the show. Anyways, we're gonna get back to it. We've got a lot of stuff to do. Packing the trailer, getting the cars, getting everybody geared up and ready to leave over the weekend. So we got a lot to do this week. All right, we're keeping on. All right, everybody, let's get after it. It's gonna be a good day today. Should be kind of cool. Cooler in here.
Jet, what you got in there? So you excited for Oshkosh, Justin?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
So what sets Oshkosh apart from all the other air shows?
Well, it's the greatest place on earth.
It's the Disney World of aviation.
It is, and it's an amazing thing. I've been going. This will be my 5th year going, and every year it just gets better and better.
Oh, awesome. So what does the Evoke team do at Oshkosh?
So whenever we go up there, there will be some people in the booth and some people going out cleaning airplanes. I'll be running a crew to go out clean airplanes that are Evoke Signature Series planes and some airplanes we've done in the past. But we'll also be going around selling cleaners, and if you have any questions, you cannot miss us.
So what's your favorite Oshkosh memory
Ooh,
that you can get away with telling on this vlog?
okay. Probably my favorite Oshkosh memory, and it's an every year occurrence. That is seeing old customers, seeing the older airplanes, and seeing just how well they take care of them. To me, it makes me feel good that other people are taking pride in our work that we do. That brings a whole new meaning to this job. It makes you appreciate it a little bit more.
What was the experience for y'all designing a scheme that was all yours?
Hard.
It was hard.
So I've been on a bit of like a space kick. So I was like, that's a cool direction to go, theme to go with.
Whoa!
That is sick.
I started in several different styles. I was trying to do all kinds of different things, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna design the way I like to design and then work the space theme into it. A lot of the stuff that I like to do is more angular, more, kind of hard lines, because I like for it to look fast.
Yeah.
That's the ultimate goal usually for me whenever I'm designing for a customer is I want it to look fast.
Okay, I'll pull up mine.
Sweet.
I love those colors.
Ooh. So what was the process for you like?
I don't know. I do this every day.
You were like, I made a cool plane. What do you mean?
Everything inside of me was trying its hardest not to just say that.
I did it. I did this because I thought it was cool. And I picked these colors because I thought they were cool. And I promise you, that's all I thought. This is all that I have to say about it. And I did it because I thought it looked cool.
Yeah.
Scotty, Chris, will you grab the camera?
Oh no!
Oh,
I've never been on this side of the camera. So for me, I kind of went back to when I first started at Evoke, which is when Autumn would give me training challenges, and I would subsequently just try to figure out what cartoon character I wanted to make into an airplane. And I had made the Ninja Turtles before, but I never made Shredder.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Whoa. And for me,
Look at that!
for me, it felt like magic almost, because the more I made it, the more Scottyisms I would put into it. So
That's
for instance, the game console I grew up with was the Super Nintendo, which has like gray and purple color scheme to it. So I was like, oh wait, it's not just Shredder, it's also the Super Nintendo. And then going back to more things I love, on the tail is a pattern that I made a long time ago that was derived from Spaceship Earth at Epcot. So I've got Super Nintendo, I have Ninja Turtles, I have Epcot, and then also if you turn your head to the side, the striping makes it S for Scotty.
Shut up!
So I do kind of like want to elaborate because like this is an epiphany that I'm having. Chris, I always knew that you were really good at straight lines, but just you are really good at accentuating the natural body lines and contours of the airframe. I feel like you'd be really good at designing cars. Mine are sharp, jagged, super busy. Scotty, yours are classic, smooth, swoopy, like you said, like water. I think every single one of ours are very, very distinct.
I could see each of us flying this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have our own fleet.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shame! All right, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching another episode of Behind the Schemes. We've got one more day left, and then we're hitting the road for Oshkosh. So we got the touch-ups done. We got another plane ready that's heading straight up to the booth. We want you guys to come check it out. We've got to paint and clear, or just clear this airplane today. And yeah, we're hitting the road. So next week, we're going to see you there at Oshkosh, hopefully. But thank you for watching Behind the Schemes, and do the things.
Do all the things.
Do them. All right, I'm going to go do some things. And you know what? If you come by Oshkosh and you see us in the booth and you're a fan of the show, just come by and give us a huzzah, and that'll be our little secret code word just to know that you're a fan, and we'll know who the real ones are. All right, we'll see you there.
Yup, be-do.